good news about Jesus as can to Luke chapter 20 from verse 1 to verse 8. Then question Jesus right for do what him do. One day, Jesus did a teach the people them and I preach the good news in the yard where God house there. The head priest them, the law teacher them, and the elder them come to him. Them ask Jesus say, tell me something, what right you have if you do the insignia? And who get that right there? Jesus said to them, say, I'm going to ask you one question. And I want you to answer me. When John did baptize people, who did send him to do it? God or man? Them talk amongst themselves say, if we say God, he might go ask we, and we could never believe John. But if we say a man, the whole of the people them go stone we, cause them things say John I did one prophet. So they answer say, we don't know who sent him. So Jesus said to them, say, then me not go tell you no who give me the right for do the insignia neither. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.